Today we are going to discuss about some extension that we use in Burpsuite which help us to make a super change on our bug bounty hunting capability. So if you are ready to take our bug bounty hunting game to the next level, then stick around because we are about to unlock some great potential tools. Okay, so one second, let me start the burp. Before we can start our extension journey, you need to make sure that you have installed your Burpsuite perfectly or correctly. And let's wait. There are so many extensions in Burpsuite itself. Okay. Once we have found the extension that we want to use, it's just a matter of installing them directly within the Burpsuite. So here in the extension tab, then in the B app store, go to B app store. There are so many extension which help us to do our bug bounty hunting journey little bit easier. Okay, so let me sort this. Hi. Okay, when you click the extension details, you can see the details in the right hand side. Okay, so access validator, logger plus plus. These are so very important extension. I'll show you some of them in the Portsfigure lab itself. One second. Yeah, top 10 best pen testing tool and extension. First one, logger plus plus. So here, yeah, this one. So we can get the details, features, and everything. And after scrolling down, you have to just tap it to install. Okay. So I have already installed the XSS validator, hacked it, then XS cheat sheet. Okay, so you can use the extension and the extension will come about this thing. Okay, so one second. So here in the install section, we can see what all thing that we have installed till now. Okay. Also, some extension need external dependencies like a Python file or Java file, something like that. So you have to install that too. Okay. So I hope you understood how to install the extension in Burpsuite. Okay, so just click the extension and read the usage and its features, how it is working. If it is helpful for you or is this the thing that you looking for, just install it. Okay, so please try these extension and how it is working and sort out the extension which is helpful for us, and you can uninstall the balance one, reinstall, not remove the balance one. Okay, that you don't need, you can remove it. So access validator is good, and PHP object injection is good. Google hacking, that means Google docking. See, you have to use Python extension, that is Jthon, to install this thing. Okay, so in some extension we need to install third dependencies. Fine. So what are you waiting for? Let's install this extension and start experimenting, and most importantly start hunting down those bugs like a pro. Okay,